Welcome back, everybody, to WJZ Saturday morning. It is 8:13. That sun is shining through the reeds of the WJZ Outback. Not too much wind here on top of TV Hill, but not so much the story for everyone across our area. We were checking in a little bit earlier with Easton. Already wind gusts over 20 miles per hour. Let's check in with our temperatures because we know when it's on the cooler side, we do have those wind chills that will feel a little bit lower than our actual air temperatures. Let's start with the Eastern Shore. 38 degrees right now in Chestertown as we cross the bay. 31 right now in Bel Air, 38 degrees in Baltimore City. Now, if you head up the JFX up towards Cockeysville, we've got events happening at the fairgrounds in Timonium. 38 degrees there. 36 degrees in Severn, heading back off to the west. Also sitting in the mid-30s is Westminster and Columbia, not too far off, 36 degrees there as well. So it's a bit of a chilly start, far cry from where we were sitting at this time yesterday. Now, getting into that forecast for today, we do have the cool air that is in place, but it doesn't last all that long. Today's the cooler half of the weekend, but it is going to gradually get warmer over the next couple of days. Both halves of the weekend, though, will be breezy for the O's games and anything else you might be doing outside. First alert radar, nothing to talk about there. A couple of snowflakes coming down in western Maryland, though. Winds now up to about 10 miles an hour at BWI Marshall. So the 35 that your car says that it is in that area, it actually feels like 27 once you factor in the wind. So don't forget longer sleeves today, SPF sunglasses. That's what you're going to need. Currently, we're sitting again in the 30s for most spots, but those winds are going to pick up if they haven't already. Winds coming out of the north for today, so that pulls in some cooler air, but those wind directions are going to change over the next couple of days, just not for today. Upper 40s throughout the game. Twins are back in town for this weekend today and tomorrow. First pitch today is at 4:05, so lots of sunshine to go around. Some of us will get into the lower 50s, Cherry Hill, Curtis Bay for today, but otherwise across the city, we're looking at mid to upper 40s, a little bit cooler towards some of our waterside neighborhoods. 30 degrees for tonight. Wind still out of the north and west, but once that wind direction changes, we will eventually see those temperatures starting to head up. So if we can get to the 7-day forecast, let me see, because I actually pressed the wrong button just now, but those temperatures will be heading up over the next couple of days, but they are on the cool side this morning. So there we go. There's the correct button. Quick check on the 7-day forecast, and we'll have another look at this coming up in a few minutes, but I got 30 seconds to go through this. We're closer to 60 degrees by Sunday. A milder day is on the way. Still breezy. We're into the low 70s for some neighborhoods by Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, though, we've got 80s that are on the way. So we've got changeable weather over the next couple of days, although it'll be mainly on the quiet side up until the middle of the week. Then things do start to get a little bit more unsettled. We reintroduce rain and even a few storms by the time we get into the middle part of the week. More so showers and rain showers for Thursday and Friday. Those temperatures heading back down. But if you're not a fan of those cooler temperatures, remember it is still March going into early April. Does look like on the other side of this, those temperatures will try to head back up. So typical ups and downs of spring are on the way, Janae.